Hi!
Sir Agassi,
Carlos Agassi?
we're not your doctors.
Yep, so do what works for you and hindi kami makikipag-argue sa inyo. Tama kayo, mali kami.
Yes, sir. So, question, ano yung mga natural supplements na pwede on a budget?
On a budget. So on a budget, ano na to sinauna na to garlic. Garlic, if you take it before working out or pag may sakit kayo, kasi meron siyang allicin. It's an antioxidant. At the same time, it makes your body produce epinephrine, which is parang fight or flight, bigla kayong lalakas. Therefore, maganda siyang pre-workout. Kailangan nguyain nyo, medyo mabaho, kasi yun yung lalabas yung allicin. Kasi yun, siguro mag-toothbrush na lang kayo para hindi mabaho hininga nyo. And then ginger, kasi meron siyang ginger rolls. Yan, nakakaganda ng boses, tsaka nakakatanggal anti-inflammation. And then at the same time, onion, dahil meron siyang thiosulfates. So if you don't know,
Now you know, tips from Agassi.